Hello guys, welcome back and I'm talking Ben and today I'm gonna burp again. I did it like almost a month ago and I'm gonna do it again. And I'm gonna do it lots of times and I did it lots of times like almost a month ago, so I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it lots of times again. Okay, anyways, without further ado, let's get started. Oh, that was a big one. Oh, yes. Now that's what I call the long burp. Well, it's a loud burp, not the loud burp, because the means when something is important or something like that. That's funny. It kinda sounds like a car's light indicator, except it's in like a burping version. The one which I did like a few seconds ago, or maybe 1 second ago just now. Okay, anyway, let's continue. Oh, that's kind of funny. Okay, I'm gonna do a last one and then I'm gonna finish, okay? Okay, guys, so that should be enough burping. Yeah, I enjoyed burping, so bye bye, you guys. I'm gonna end the video. Bye bye.